natikman mo na ba ang OMG?
Yes, hello to everyone. We are now at SM San Pedro or SM San Lorenzo. My name is Brian Hernandez, but you can call me Tate Brian, owner of OMG Philippines, Betty Philippines, Cafe 45, East and West, Ortiz Medical Group. And now we have just finished our workshop training now. And the difference of OMG is 7. Na-discuss ko a while ago. Number 1, mismo owner po yung nakakausap po ninyo. Marami po kasi yung nagkalat ng mga scammer or pagkahente. Mas maganda po kasi mismo makausap niyo po ang owner sa owner po mapakausap. Franchisor to franchise. Number 2 difference po natin, stability of the business. You have to choose a franchisor po na medyo matagal na po sa negosyo. Okay, so we've been in the business magna 19 years na po. We started at August 6 of 2006. So magna 19 years na po yung TESDA school po din. Accredited po siya ng TESDA and Department of Labor and Employment. And the difference po natin, we are also halal certified. Okay, so yun po malaki factor that we have. Ika-apat po, we are SM accredited. We are approved by SM for outside kiosk, inside kiosk and inline. Hindi the terminal po ang accepted po dahil. Ikalima po, so far po tayo po ang 15-in-1 concept. Pinakamura, pinakamasarap at pinakamaraming choices. We have pizza, Korean corn dog, rice meat, egg drop, chicken wings, chicken popper, Korean beef food, rice bowl. Milk tea po natin to 20 pesos. Milkshake, the mango, yogurt, coffee, fries on top, cheesecake, halo-halo, and so much more. It even scrambled. So we are continuously involved in. Hikaanin po, we are also JNT attended. So trucks and motor are already provided by JNT po para sa inyo. So we are accepting also Shopee, Lazada for the JNT home. And kapito po, we are also accredited by Cebuana. The difference in Cebuana po, we have your own lion sender, you have your own remittance po, and you have your also own forex and cash in cash. So what are you waiting for? Go for OMG. So OMG, padala.
Papa OMG ka sa kanyang sobrang sarap. OMG, OMG, subukan mo at di ka masisisi. OMG, OMG, Papa OMG ka sa sarap.